Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Schwab for capital gains tax statements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Schwab for capital gains tax statements, first, visit the Schwab website. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on Open an account to create one. Fill in the required personal information to establish your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in the top menu. Select Statements from the drop-down options. Scroll down to find the Tax Documents section. Locate the option for capital gains tax statements. Click on the link to set your preferences for tax statement delivery. Choose between electronic delivery or paper statements. If you opt for electronic delivery, provide your email address to receive updates. Review and confirm your preferences carefully. Save your selections to ensure they are applied to your account. You will receive your capital gains tax statements according to your chosen delivery method. Make sure to check your email or mailbox as tax season approaches. Stay updated on any changes by regularly logging into your Schwab account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.